I mean, the sizzle, y'all. Come on. Come on. I've got a good one for you today, sweeties. We are doing crispy Ninja Foodi Grill air fryer chicken thighs. This is a viewer request. Thank you so much, and please keep those requests coming. So you might have seen the crispy air fryer chicken wings using cornstarch and baking powder. So you want to see if that crispy chicken wing recipe technique would work on chicken thighs. Let me tell you, spoiler alert, it does. Let me see if you can hear this crunch. And it's juicy, y'all. Let me show you how I did it. But first, please, subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell. Let's get into these crispy air fryer, Ninja Foodi Grill air fryer chicken thighs. So let's see if that cornstarch and baking powder trick works on chicken thighs. I'm using air chilled, there we go. I'm using air chilled chicken thighs, and it has no retained water. So when this chicken is processed, it is cooled down quickly in a blast chiller, and it's not dunked in water like most chicken is. So it is a drier product to start off with. And then for every pound of chicken, we're gonna add a teaspoon of cornstarch, a teaspoon of baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder, that's real important, and a teaspoon of my seasoned salt mix, and I'll put a link to that recipe in the description. Mix that up well. Now we still want to pat our chicken dry to remove any extra moisture on the surface. And you can trim any extra skin or fat if you want. You can either just pull it off, use a knife or scissors, and just clip that extra skin and fat right off. So this makes a really light coating, the cornstarch mixture with the baking powder. So light coating, it's gluten-free, so that's a bonus, but you still get a nice crispiness. And you can still add sauce after the chicken is done if you want to sauce things up a bit. And that's a great big old one, so that's going to take much longer to cook. Now we'll season both sides well. And then we'll preheat our air fryers. Our chicken is well coated, and we have it in one layer, pretty much one layer. You don't want to stack it up because that'll allow moisture to start forming. Let's start with our Ninja Foodi Grill, and we're gonna do the settings here on the sticker. So for chicken, we're gonna do 360 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes on air crisp. So press air crisp, 360 degrees. We'll set it for 25 minutes, and we'll do the same settings on the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. We'll do air crisp. We'll go down to 360 degrees for 25 minutes. And start. And we have the air crisp basket in both machines. The original Ninja Foodi Grill says add food, so that's what we're gonna do. Both the baskets are 4 quarts, and they're just a little different shape. So this one can fit 4 chicken thighs. We don't want to overlap them. We want to make sure there's enough space between them so that they can air fry properly. We'll close that down and let that go. Now let's take this other chicken over to Ninja Foodi XL grill. Air crisp basket, also 4 quarts. Let's see. Now the shape of the air crisp basket will kind of dictate that you place the chicken a little bit differently. You're still fitting 4 pieces in, but you just have to stagger them a bit to make sure they don't overlap. But here's a little trick for you. Let me show you something. If you want to fit more food into your Ninja Foodi XL grill, grab yourself a rack. This came from like a 9x13 roasting pan, and it just sits right on top there. Will still allow air to circulate, but you can fit more chicken, feed more people, or not just chicken, whatever you're cooking, you can fit more if you add a rack. There you go. Now you can fit 6 pieces when you use that rack in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Let's go. Check on those chicken thighs in the original Ninja Foodi Grill. They are sizzling. I'm going to flip it over. Looks good already. Let those go. We'll check them again after 10 minutes. We'll go ahead and check the ones in the Ninja Foodi XL grill. Looking good, looking good. And you can see that rack does a fine job of helping the chicken air fry. The air can circulate all around and under those chicken thighs. Oops, I can't get it. There we go. We'll let that go. Check it again after 10 minutes. All right, let's check it one more time. We'll start with the original Ninja Foodi Grill first. I mean, come on. Come on. Look at this. Let me just get a little closer look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm going to check the temperature. And remember, I didn't add any additional oil to this. Let's put that in there. That's done. That's more than done. That's it. I'm going to leave that just for now because the skin crispy. It's pretty crispy. I just want to show you the side by side of both of these in the air fryers. Look at that. I'm going to let the skin crisp just maybe 2 minutes more. All right, let's take a look at the Ninja Foodi Grill XL. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Let me grab my thermometer. And we'll get the temperature. Go for this bad boy right here. Yep, sorry. Oh, can you see? Ooh, it's dripping. Yeah, that is done. That is done. That's good to go. I am going to do the same thing. Flip it over and then just let the skin crisp a little bit more. But you can see that rack just allows us to cook 2 more pieces of chicken. And you know, when you're feeding your family, you want to just be done in one shot. If you are feeding, you know, 6 people, that's what you need to do. You need to get something a little bit larger. I mean, the sizzle, y'all. Come on. Come on. But can we get a thumbs up for that sizzle? They both look good, but you can just get 2 more pieces in that Ninja Foodi Grill XL if you can find yourself a rack. I'll take a look on Amazon and see if I can find one for you, and I'll put it in the description box. So this is those chicken thighs, bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Yeah, crispy. And in the Ninja Foodi Grill XL, crispy. You know we're gonna take a bite. You know we're gonna take a bite. Let me see if you can hear this crunch. And it's juicy, y'all. My mic quit on me, y'all, so I can't do a proper crunch test, but trust me, both the original Ninja Foodi Grill and the XL Ninja Foodi Grill did a fine job getting the chicken nice and crunchy. But the XL Grill wins this one because I can get a couple more pieces on there and don't have to cook in batches. So please subscribe to Sweet Savant. Hit that thumbs up, that notification bell, and y'all have a delicious day. Check out these other videos that I think you'll like.